Ready? Feet apart. Keep them together for now. When you go up in the air, feet apart. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're really good at that, actually. That's crazy. Wait. Oh, sweet. Take a picture of that, will you?
I'm taking a video, actually.
Don't bring your knees together.
There you go. Separate them. Nice job, Delaney. Can you relax now? There you go. Legs apart.
There you go. Feet apart. And bring your arms behind your back. Yeah, grab them. There you go. Good. Now stay relaxed, okay? No, keep them there. Alright, I gotta put you down.
Good job.